Hi guys, welcome to Kashyap Astro. Today I'm gonna talk about the three moons as interpreted by the media. The thing is, we have discovered two new more dust patches, which is a celestial wonder, and it is very nearby to us, and it's in the Earth's orbit, and it's actually 9 times bigger than the Earth itself. These are just dust gas kind of particles. They are just bound in a gravitational system, and these are just looking like a fuzzy patch when we look it through a polarimetric camera, and this was recently discovered by Hungarian astronomers, even though this was detected way before in 1961. But the thing is, we did not have enough technology to back the detection back then. But now, with this new fuzzy dust clouds, which are very faint, very hard to capture them. So the Hungarian astronomers, with the help of a private observatory, have done this and published in monthly notice Royal Astronomical Society journal, and which makes us wonder. Like we were always thinking about we have one moon, and we thought there is nothing much in Earth's orbit. But the thing is, there are these points called Lagrange points. Lagrange points are basically with respect to the massive bodies. These are imaginary points, and these dust patches are found in something called as Lagrange 5 points, that is L5 points. Let me explain what it is. Like we have three objects: Sun, Earth, Moon, as a reference, and we will call it L1, L2, L3 as their points respectively. And then if you have a L4 and L5 which forms an equilateral triangle with respect to these 3 points, and near the L5 points we found these two dust patches, and it is a fuzzy dust patch, very faint, and very hard to detect them. And these points are very helpful for launching satellites and anything that has to go through the space. So these are very important study, and by doing more spectroscopic studies and in detailed studies, we will be able to come to an understanding that what is it made up of, what is it composition is made up of, and all those things in very detailed manner. Presently we are doing good progress in understanding our neighbors. Congratulations to the Hungarian astronomers for detecting them and confirming them for the Earthlings. And it's a very important thing that everywhere, even in the songs and other places, we always thought about one moon. And there are some nearby objects which are very interesting too. And we need to understand how they have influenced for the formation of Earth and other parameters. So more we understand about these neighbors, more detailed studies can be done and applied to further studies in exoplanets, also in understanding exomoons. And if there are dust, uh, maybe this could be one of the parameter that could be even linked to a habitable zone. We don't know yet. These are the questions that could be asked, but there will be a long-term research to understand whether these are the requirements of a perfect solar system. As we know, we have to understand our home first, and then we can do a good comparative studies with the other exosolar planetary systems. So I think it's a good thing that we are coming to know our surroundings better, and it's a very interesting, and we are fortunate this happened in our lifetime. Even though in 1961 he discovered not much things, like not many people backed him up, and now I think it's a good thing. And the terminology as three moons is quite not a right nomenclature, because we did not accept Pluto as to be a planet, and Neil deGrasse Tyson literally got the oath from the International Astronomical Union, and so we have to be very careful when you use our nomenclature. And I think it would be a great further new experience to understand these dust clouds. With this new information updating you, from Kashyap Astro, signing off. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, kindly do subscribe. Thank you.